This officer didn't know he was about to be viciously attacked.
Hey, how you doing?
I'm doing good.
The reason I stopped is your age got expired plates on this car.
Listen, it's a customer's car. I just picked it up. I'm doing work for him. I understand.
All right, see driver's license, please,
I don't
proof of
have
insurance.
one with me. Listen, I ain't gonna lie to you. I don't have one. I'm working to get it back. I'm a single father. I'm doing what I can.
All right, you have any ID whatsoever?
Just credit cards with my name on them. And I got it unpaid. It's gonna show up in warrant, man.
You have some ID on you, ma'am?
Yeah, she does.
Can I see some ID, please?
I don't have it. I do not have a card.
So neither of you are carrying any ID on you?
I got my credit cards with my name on them. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Well, I could have credit cards with somebody's name on them, too.
Right. I got a social security card here.
So let me see what you got there as far as ID.
I got my gas fuel cards, social security card, my direct express card. I mean, like I said, if you run me, it's gonna come back with a warrant, man.
And you're David?
Yes, sir. I mean, I'm not gonna lie to you. If you just give me a break.
Well, we'll discuss that in a moment. All right, you can have this back.
Okay.
And miss, you have no ID on you?
I'm gonna look. Are you gonna run him?
Well, what's your social security number?
I don't know by heart. I had a stroke. I had a stroke about a year ago.
I'm gonna give you one chance. I'm gonna give you one chance. All right, don't lie to me about who you are.
Okay.
All right.
Yes.
This is your only chance to be truthful. You got it? What's your name?
Holly.
Holly what? Holly what?
I mean, just...
I'll be right with you. Hold on, please.
Hey, get over here. Where are you going to go? Where do you think you're going to go? You better... Get on the ground right now. Get on the ground.
23 to radio. Give me another car. I got this female fighting with 9.
Get off me, I can't breathe. Get off me, I can't breathe.
Lay down. Lay down.
I can't breathe.
Don't move.
Get your hand behind your back right now.
Stop, please.
Get your hand behind your back right now. Lay down.
Please stop, please stop.
23, we're at Aldi's. Hands behind your back.
Please stop. Leave my shoulders go in a second. Stop.
You just picked up a felony.
Please stop. Stop. I can't breathe. Stop.
You can breathe fine.
No.
I have female fighting with one of my officers in all these parking lots.
Stop. I said stop.
Put your hand behind your back right now.
Stop.
Hand behind your back right now.
Stop. Okay. Sir, stop. Stop.
65, 50, can you go to 3?
I gotta go hospital.
Flip over behind your back.
No. Hospital. Ma'am, call 911, please. Please.
Go ahead, come.
No.
Do not resist.
Please, so much.
Do not resist.
I'm sorry, come on a second. Sorry, go. Let me out, please. Oh, please.
You got her?
Yeah. Not bleeding, am I? You whacked me in the temple with that thing.
No. Stand up. You got it? We're not going to play games. Let's go. Get in the car. Sit in the car.
You got her in the car.
Okay.
All right.
Were you in this car, ma'am? Are you okay? Did she say anything to you, or? Okay. All right, don't go anywhere till I can guide you, okay? Thanks.
Dad,
You all right?
that lady in that Mercedes, you want to get a statement from her? Yeah. This girl tried to jump in her passenger seat. No, it was straightforward. She just jumped out of the car, took off with a jack handle in her hand, and turned around, swung at me, and clipped me in the side of the head. and tried to get in that car, and that's about it.
All right, we got to get him out of the car. He's got warrants as well. Then we'll go from there.
You send
All right, step on out.
So what do
Set everything up here.
What do I have for warrants?
Okay. All right, you got a bunch of them. All right, I'm sure you're aware. Leave everything up on the hood.
All right, Nick.
All right, everything up there. All right, good.
So what is all my warrants for?
All right, you have too many to list.
No, ain't no way.
Oh, you've got at least 4 of them.
It's got to be Dave Jr. Ain't no way I got 4.
Your picture. Unless you give me bad info on who you are.
No, sir. Would never do that.
Anything on you?
No, sir. No, sir.
Anything I'm going to get stuck with?
Nope.
Any weapons in the car?
Nope. I don't play like that.
No weapons, all right? Anything in the car you're not supposed to have? Drugs, needles?
No, hell no.
All right?
Hell no.
Oh, well, I can tell if she's on something, all right?
All right.
I don't want to, listen, you're with her, all right? So you know what she's doing. I don't want one of these guys to get poked when we start looking in the car.
Oh, no, you ain't got to worry about that.
You got it? All right.
That's a fact.
I mean, once we heard they were
Could you grab my phone and stuff?
We'll get it in a minute.
All right. So what's my warrant? I don't know.
You got numerous warrants.
What do you mean by numerous, though? There's only 2 I know.
Have a seat. So where's your receipt for that power washer?
It should be on the front seat.
On the front seat?
Yep.
All right. All right, here's what we got. Stop the car.
Who did?
I did. Expired plates, shows warrants. They were Home Depot. I think he stole that pressure washer that's in there. As we're IDing them, she hops out of the car, takes off, tries to get in that Mercedes over there.
Driver.
Passenger.
Come on. Get your feet underneath you. Don't fall. Don't play that game. Get your feet under you. Walk with me. Don't start throwing yourself on the ground.
Straight your legs.
And you're the owner of the car, and she jumped in the car?
Yeah, she opened the front passenger side door and tried to get in, and the 2 policemen apprehended her and pulled her out before.
Okay.
So.
Okay. Well, you got, your key there. I thought it was a mace for a minute. I'm like,
no.
whoa,
Oh, no.
You're ready to go.
No.
All right.
Anything else you need?
No, that's it. We'll contact you if we need any further information. We appreciate it. You're okay?
Yep.
You're not
Yep.
harmed or you don't need an ambulance or anything?
No.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
Fine.
All
Yep.
right.
Yep.
Sure it was a surprise to you as it
Yeah,
was to us.
I was like,
so.
holy cow.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I had just turned the car on to leave.
Right.
So, but,
Yeah. Okay.
All right.
If you need
very
anything,
much.
call us,
All
okay?
right, thank you.
At least she didn't break my glasses. I would have been pissed.
You got a camera? Someone grab a camera. Because we got paraphernalia. We got felony drugs.
Are there drugs in there?
Yeah. I've got
I'll go see if I have some bags.
I got felony drugs here. I'm sure that's something. I don't want this blown away. I'll take this whole thing back. I'm gonna set it here.
Did Home Depot confirm, or?
What do you think? They're clueless. You saw
I mean, it would be easy to confirm whether you had a purchase of that in the last 5 minutes.
Yeah, he claims the receipt was in here. Yeah, I got all kind of needles in here.
All right, I've got plastic bags in the Sharps container if you need one.
Is she getting transported?
Yeah, I'll need a Sharps container.
Here, you want this now or later?
I'm gonna grab everything in a minute. Let me just see what's here first.
Is this purse staying here with the car, or is that going?
You gonna scratch these guys some sights and stuff?
Yeah, eventually. I can't do everything.
Probably follow. She attempted to steal that.
All I know is she ran up to the door holding that pipe.
David was charged with drug possession, in which other termination is marked on the court docket, indicating the case was likely diverted for drug treatment. Holly was charged with attempted assault on peace officer, assault on a peace officer, obstructing, resisting, and possession of drug abuse instruments. She pled guilty to attempted assault and resisting, while pleading no contest to the 3 remaining charges. The bond for Holly totaled up to a whopping $400,000. She was eventually sentenced to a minimum prison term of 3 years and a maximum prison term of 4.5 years.